Ndewo kekime. Ahambi Joma. Kedo ahagi. So nchoro kede ahagi na comment. Kedo ahagi. That's what's your name. Kedo ahagi. Okay? So today ahani geku makaya wo ono ogugo numbers 1 to 10. Okay? So 1 to 10. Anya melaya before past, but we'll do it again because of the very important. Okay, some of you here might not know, but it's something you use every day when they ask you how old are you or delay how many. So use numbers all the time. Okay, and when you say maybe the date. Okay, so Igbo numbers 1 to 10. And you get G Rubik's Cube Ameya. You know that? Okay. So O2. Yeah. Abụọ. Right. Ooh. Okay, that way. Abụọ. It will be best if you repeat after me. Okay, it will stick better. Okay, again. Kaibidonisi. O2. 1. O2. Abụọ. 2. Abụọ. Okay. Abụọ. Atọ. 3. Atọ. 3. Yeah? Go try saying it now. Gini be ha? O2. Well done. Nke akwan. Abụọ. Atọ. Dalu. Oh. Right. Can you na-aga n'iru? Anọ. 4. Anọ. 5. 5. 5. 6. Okay. Otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, 5, 6. Okay. Let's take 4 to 6 again. Okay. Otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, 4. Otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, 5, 5. Otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, 5, 6. Okay? So 4, anọ, 5, 6, 6. Kọrọ onwe gị aka. Okay? Daalụ. Right. Ka anyị na-ekwukwa. I nọzi na 7. Okay? So ka m bido n'isi. Otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, 5, 6. Asaa. 7. 7, asaa. Okay? Otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, 5, 6. Asaa. Asatọ. 8. Asatọ. 8. Ọzọkwa. Otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, 5, 6. Asaa. Asatọ. 8. Otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, 5, 6. Asaa. Asatọ. Itenanị. 9. 9. Itenanị. Okay? Otu, abụọ, atọ, anọ, 5, 6. Asaa. Asatọ. Itenanị. 9. Okay? 7. Asaa. 8. Asatọ. 9. Itenanị. Ngwakwuo ya. 7 bụ gịnị? Asaa. Well done. 8 bụ gịnị? Asatọ. 9 bụ gịnị? Itenanị. Daalụ. Gịnị bụ 10? Okay, ka m dosara biko. Iri. 10. Iri. 10. Iri. Gakọrọ onwe gị aka. Pam, 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 pam. Okay, so ka anyị bidokwa ya n'isi. Otu. 1. Abụọ. 2. Atọ. 3. Anọ. 4. Ise. 5. Otu. Abụọ. Atọ. Anọ. Ise. Good. Again. Otu. Abụọ. Atọ. Anọ. Ise. Again. Otu. Abụọ. Atọ. Anọ. Ise. Well done. Now 6. Isii. Asaa. Asatọ. Itenanị. Iri. 6. Isii. 7. Asaa. 8. Asatọ. 9. Itenanị. 10. Iri. Isii. Asaa. Asatọ. Itenanị. Iri. Okay, that's 1 to 10. So when will you use these numbers? Msigi. Ịdị afọ ole? How old are you? Ịdị afọ ole? Ịdị afọ ole? How old are you? Okay. And then you say, dị afọ iri. I am 10 years old. Okay. So afọ is the year. Dị afọ iri. I am 10 years old. Dị afọ ise. I am 5 years old. Dị afọ ise. Okay. Again, it might be that ask you how many. Odiole, that's how many. Okay. Odiole, how many? How many whatever. Is it how many chairs? How many? Is Odiole is just how many. Okay. Oche, odiole, the chairs, how many? Okay. Odiole, how many? Then you say odi iri, there are 10. Odi abụọ is 10. Oh, sorry, abụọ is 2. Odi abụọ, there's 2 of them. Okay. Odi abụọ, 2. Abụọ, 2. You know that? Odi iri or ha dị iri, there are 10 of them. Ha dị iri. Okay. Right. Get that in a description. And like I said before in the last video, I am doing a free challenge, okay, on Facebook. It's going to be in a private Facebook group, okay, where we'll be discussing verb conjugation and root words in Igbo, okay. So this is more for you if you're a beginner and you quite like the structured learner. You like to know how things are formed, how the words are formed, what are the common words that you need to learn, and what are like the base words that we need to that we use to form other words in Igbo. Okay, then this is perfect for you. Okay, well, I think it is. So this challenge is happening in Facebook, starting on the 16th to the 18th, Monday to Wednesday next week. Okay, there's a link below the video for you to sign up. Okay, and then you can join us in that challenge that starts Monday next week. Enola. Okay, and if you want the other videos on numbers that I did, I'll also link them below in the description so you can see 1 to 10 again. And if you want 11 and beyond, you can also see that. Okay, Kodi, Nasuku Igbo.